Hey guys, TJ here with HD Pocket Doors. We have a beautiful pair of arched pocket doors that we have freshly installed. This was installed recently here in Phoenix, Arizona. Michael Eddy with Cursive Carpentry is the trim carpenter on the job, and we actually installed these frames for Sun Mountain Doors, who's showcasing their doors in this job also. What I want to touch on is the possibilities and the capabilities that we have as a company to fit basically any application that you're looking for in your house. So this application here is a pair of doors with a full arch radius. When you close these doors, you're going to notice that the design on the doors matches the arch radius of our track covers that we provided on the frames. This has a soft close, soft open feature. This is the HDPD 200CS version, and we do have the black track with the blackout header assembly on the inside. And when you walk through these doors, everything kind of blends in with the ceiling. So you're not going to see a whole lot of bare wood or aluminum, silver. Doesn't stick out as much as maybe your standard pocket door frame. You give us the radius of whatever arch you want to accomplish. You could have a soft arch, you could have a full arch. Everything is in the realm of possibility for us. You know, we're a fully 100% custom company. We build this for your wall thickness and your door size. We're showcasing here great craftsmanship on the handles, on the hardware, on the doors themselves. You know, the soft open and close feature is really something I feel like every pocket door should have. And these even lock together in the middle from the inside. So this is a lockable door. When you order an arch radius pocket door frame from us, you're basically already going to have the blueprint for your finished arch after our frame is installed. So all your trim carpenter is going to need to do is take his head jamb, and he follows what we already have supplied in your header. So we have MDF matched to your wall thickness. Right here we're using 3/4 MDF. This is a 4-inch wide wall. If you were to buy a 2x6 frame or wider from us, we would use 1.5 inch MDF, but we cut that out on the exact radius that you want to match what your door looks like. So there's not going to be a whole lot of work after you're done installing our frame. Install the frame, you hang the doors, you put our arch track covers up. After you're done with that, put your jamb on. This has a beautiful kerf jamb finish on it right here. You can see it matches all the swing doors in the houses and fits these pocket doors perfectly. I think Sun Mountain did a great job on these doors, and also Cursive Carpentry. They did a really good job on the hardware, hanging the doors. They run smooth, they're quiet. Everything about this job is perfect.